the right step or no?
No, if you're gonna get in an accident,
It's a major one. The car's
yeah,
not drivable.
yeah, you
Right?
got
Like the
you,
wheel's been taken out. I can't drive this vehicle.
yeah,
Not a dent. Not
most
like
likely,
not a
you're-
fender bender.
yeah. If you hit someone and you're able to go to them, you got to get their insurance and driver license.
Right.
And if it's a serious accident, you got to call the cops.
Of course.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
got to call the police
So
because on the spot they're gonna do a police report, right?
Exactly.
Yeah,
Right.
on the spot they're gonna do a police report if it's a major hit, and then
do they still use those police stickers here in Ontario? That
Yeah.
Say reported
reported the
to
police. Yeah, they still use those.
So okay. So
Yeah.
when you're seeing these cars drive around with no stickers, you know that wasn't reported
Yeah,
to
yeah.
police.
Well, it might have been, but they just peeled them off.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so
So
yeah, I think the first thing is to make sure you're okay, and the guy that you hit or he hit you is okay.
okay,
Call
yeah.
the police, and
Yeah.
then most likely these chasers or the police will
Arrange for
a tow,
Okay.
and then if you know a shop or whatever, you'll bring it to me or a shop that you know, or at that point you can call your insurance and say, where should I bring this car?
Right.
Yeah. So
especially if you're traveling and you're out of province or out of
Yeah,
state or out of
exactly,
you know
exactly.
that you don't
Yeah.
have no clue. Then yeah, of course.
exactly. Yeah.
So car comes to you. We
Yeah.
get you